Hi everyone, at Salesmsg we love designing new features based on feedback from customers like you. Today, we're thrilled to announce another customer-inspired feature that just went live inside Salesmsg. It's a game changer for large teams and businesses, and it's called Teams. With Teams, owners and admins can easily group various Salesmsg users into collaborative teams, streamlining management and collaboration. This makes the feature perfect for larger businesses with multiple teams or locations all working inside the Salesmsg account. Once users are organized into teams, you can control their access to contacts based on team membership, ensuring appropriate access levels. Lastly, for HubSpot users, you can replicate any teams you already have set up in HubSpot within Salesmsg with just one click. To get started, navigate to the Teams section under Settings and click on Create Team. From there, pick a name and a description for the team and select the members you want to add. You can always add or remove members at a later point. To import a team from HubSpot, select the desired HubSpot team from the drop-down menu. This menu will show a list of all your HubSpot teams and the number of users on each team. Even if not all your HubSpot users are using Salesmsg yet, you can add them to Salesmsg with just a few clicks. One of the biggest benefits of the Teams feature is the ability to customize roles and permissions to ensure proper access to contacts. For example, you can give your admins access to all contacts, team managers access to contacts owned by their teams, and restrict your sales reps to only contacts they own. Be the first to use Teams right now and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.